Todd strutting his shit. What do you want? I'm giving Rufus a cucumber. Not you, madam. Is that Avalon barking? Of course it is.
There's that fence there. I already know damn well she's scared of shit. Scared shitless of them fucking pigs.
I know. If you put him in there, oh my gosh.
Stop.
I don't know why he's acting like that. He literally doesn't do anything. Okay, Todd. Buddy. Berta.
Buddy.
Look at him. I'm gonna let you snack. I'm gonna put it down. Hello, Mary Jane. I got a cucumber and celery for you. Huh?
Fleur looks good.
Yeah, she's a good looking chicken. She's a
A lot
homegirl.
better than when we first got her.
Mm-hmm. 12 chickens? Heck yeah. On our way to 30. I feel content when we have 30 chickens. It's so cold, oh my goodness. Bet you're loving it. Here you go. You see? What the heck? Damn, I wish I could. It is so cold outside. I already fed the pigs and all of the animals this morning, but we're feeding the pigs some more because it's in their final stages. We're just making sure they eat a lot. Eating real good.
Dang, a little fucking mouse. Fat and happy living in here. You got a roof over your head? Oh, dude, get the fucking scoop out of there.
This wrestling mat has been here. Huh?
What is it? It's got a hole in it. What the fuck is it for? It says Skinny Buns Insulated Bulkhead System.
What if it was for like a playground or something? I don't know. I was imagining like, no, I don't know what it is. Never mind. I don't think it is a wrestling mat, but it's been here since we moved here. Back here. We're finally insulated bulkhead systems. Interesting. Anyway, we're finally taking it to the dump, as well as the box spring that I took off our bed. And we had a bunch of old, but thing was a lot heavier than we expected. Let's go. See you later, guys. Hello, girl. Got your eye poking. The boy. No, stay back there.
What are you doing, girl?
Girl, why are you sitting on your brother? She's just sitting. She's just sitting on him. Oh. It's for my flow.
You get it already?
We're back home now, and I'm gonna take a bunch of stuff out to the compost that I've been avoiding heavily. Ooh. Jonathan's out in the woods cutting up wood for the wood stove because we definitely did not prepare this year and we did not stock up on wood. So we've been very much so cutting it up as we go. and it's not suggested, but things happen and we're making the best of it. Pretty far back from the house, but not too far. There's also a lot of like random things on our property, like this barbed wire that's just wrapped up right there. There's some like old farming equipment down there. Can't really see it, but oh, I think our neighbors brought something and put it over there because that's new, but again, you guys can't see it through the trees. And here we are. Now our big announcement. If you guys have been following us along, then you know we bought a bus. I'm turning this bad boy into a storefront for my shop, and it will also be a mobile store as well, available for pop-ups and all of that good stuff. I'm super excited for this journey, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. We've already been hard at work, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss any updates on the bus and our progress. I'm Carly and this is Jonathan, and over the past year we have been renovating our first home, creating our homestead, and building a business. We're currently converting a bus into a store and so much more. Follow us along and watch our crazy life unfold.